Disconnected systems kill efficiency and impede growth. That's where Acumatica's native Shopify connector changes everything. You get an enterprise-level business management and commerce platform without complexity or high costs. Your orders, inventory, and customer data flow seamlessly between Shopify storefronts and Acumatica's award-winning business platform. This means more sales, fewer errors, and happier customers. You can finally focus on growing your business instead of managing your systems. When customers order from your Shopify store, their orders are seamlessly imported into Acumatica as sales orders. You can quickly create a shipment and coordinate with your warehouse team to pick, pack, and ship the items. Acumatica syncs carrier details and shipment tracking numbers back to Shopify. Shopify payments are reflected in Acumatica for automated invoice applications, and updated stock levels are updated on both platforms. Monitor your Shopify store performance from Acumatica's commerce dashboard. Filter data by store and adjust configuration settings, all from one central command center. Take control over data synchronization, choosing which items to sync with each Shopify store and controlling data flows between platforms. Define specific order types for web orders, point-of-sale transactions, and other types of orders, making it easy to track and report on sales across all channels. You can also define tax synchronization rules, warehouses for order fulfillment, and other settings. The connector handles stock, non-stock, and matrix items with pre-mapped fields for seamless integration. While default mappings work out of the box, you can customize them to match your business needs. Let's see this in action with a soccer cleat example. Assign your item class and category to ensure proper Shopify menu placement, and then set your pricing and discount options. Next, you can upload product images directly or associate images via URLs. These images are managed inside Acumatica but displayed on your Shopify site. Finally, create and select the specific variations you want to offer in your store. Acumatica's matrix features empower you to create virtually unlimited items quickly based on product attributes such as size, style, and color. Now let's see your products come to life in Shopify. Your newly created soccer cleats are now available in your store, complete with images and all variations ready for sale. Watch how seamlessly orders flow between systems. When we place an order in Shopify, it instantly syncs to Acumatica with all details intact, including the order number, item details, and payment information. From there, Acumatica streamlines your fulfillment process. Select your packaging, compare shipping rates to find the best option, and generate shipping labels. Once confirmed, Acumatica automatically updates Shopify with shipment tracking numbers and updates the order status. Your customers can track orders in real time, eliminating the need to call customer service and creating a smooth, enjoyable, and professional buying experience. Acumatica's Shopify Connector integrates seamlessly with Shopify, Shopify POS, and B2B on Shopify for both online and in-store sales. It enables easy refund management, multi-location inventory synchronization, and matrix items with thousands of variants. Your products, prices, and inventory levels update automatically between systems, while orders flow seamlessly from Shopify into Acumatica for fulfillment. The result? Faster shipping, accurate inventory, and insights for smarter decisions. Ready to transform your business? Let's explore how Acumatica and Shopify can fuel your growth. Connect with us today to learn more.